Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning artist Buju Banton recently inked a deal with Roc Nation entertainment company formed by hip-hop business mogul Jay-Z. On Friday, Roc Nation announced the partnership with the reggae star. Buju is the second Jamaican artist to be signed to the label. This follows reggae artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley, who signed a deal with the company back in 2016. Buju celebrated the new partnership with the release of a video for his single, Stepper. The video has close to 1 million views on YouTube. Roc Nation's extensive roster includes popular acts like Bajan Princess Rihanna, Megan Thee Stallion, Big Sean, J. Cole, Meek Mill, and Shakira. Reggae artist Koffee is scheduled to join international Grammy-winning rock artist Harry Styles on tour in Mexico next year. The former member of boy band One Direction made the announcement on his Instagram account, where he shared the flyer with the upcoming tour dates. The tour, dubbed Love on Tour, kicks off in June and will end in October. The tour will also feature Jenny Lewis. Koffee is also gearing up for her performance in Dubai at Lifestyle and Cultural Festival. She'll be joined by colleagues Savannah and Lila Ike. Now, on the international scene, the American Music Awards took place last night at the Microsoft Theater in California. The night saw Taylor Swift making history, copying 6 awards, which included the Artist of the Year. Swift now has the most AMAs with a total of 29. Other wins for the night include Cardi B, who won Favorite Rap Artist for 2019, Bruno Mars Favorite Male R&B Artist. Khalid's track Talk won the Favorite R&B Song for 2019. The AMAs kicked off with this year's host Ciara debuting her song Melanin, which features Lupita Nyong'o, Esther Dean, City Girls, and Lala. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.